The main circuit breaker is like a guardian for your home's electrical system. It's a big switch that stops the flow of electricity if there's a problem. This prevents dangerous overloads and potential fires. Working with electricity can be risky, so always prioritize safety. If you're unsure about any step, it's best to call a qualified electrician. Remember, safety is paramount when dealing with electricity. Never attempt any electrical work if you're not completely confident in your abilities. When in doubt, consult a professional electrician. Your safety is worth the investment. Before you begin, gather the necessary tools. Voltage tester. This handy tool checks if wires are live, ensuring your safety before you proceed. Insulated screwdrivers. Use these to safely tighten connections without risking electrical shock. Wire strippers. These help you expose the wire ends for proper connections. Pliers. Useful for gripping and bending wires as needed. Safety glasses. Protect your eyes from flying debris. Having the right tools is just the first step. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including safety glasses and gloves, when working with electricity. Cut the power. Locate your main electrical panel and switch off the main breaker. This ensures no electricity flows while you work. Open the panel. Remove the panel cover carefully. Inside you'll see wires and breakers. Identify the main breaker. The main breaker is usually the largest one and located at the top. Prepare the wires. Use wire strippers to remove about 3/4 of an inch of insulation from the ends of the wires connecting to the main breaker. Make the connections. Connect the neutral wire, usually white, to the neutral bus bar and the ground wire, usually bare or green, to the ground bus bar. Then connect the hot wires, typically black or red, to the main breaker terminals. Secure the connections. Ensure all wire connections are tight and secure using a screwdriver. Close the panel. Carefully replace the panel cover and secure it. Restore power. Turn the main breaker back on to restore power to your home. Remember, if you encounter any difficulties or uncertainties during this process, it's crucial to stop and seek assistance from a qualified electrician. One common mistake is reversing the hot and neutral wires. This can lead to a dangerous short circuit. Another error is over-tightening connections, which can damage the breaker or wires. Always double-check your work and make sure all connections are secure but not overly tight. Electricity is unforgiving of mistakes. Always prioritize safety and proceed with caution. If you have any doubts, it's always best to consult a qualified electrician.